Hi, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. Today I'm here to unbox the October Beauty Heroes box. I am excited because I make this a surprise to myself. So basically, as of the first of the month, I have to stop checking YouTube, Instagram, and I have my husband check my email and move the announcement email on the first of the month from Beauty Heroes out of my inbox. And then I'm worried that I'm gonna see another email from them or something about what's in the box. So now it's October 5th that I'm opening this. So I've been going for 5 days or so without checking these things. So I am very excited. The good news is I didn't have any spoilers. So I'm excited to see what brand is in here. We did get an email that said one of the products in here is was temperature sensitive. So I'm wondering if it's some type of no waste solid type thing. So we'll see. Anyway, so let's unbox it. Let's see. This is always the exciting moment that I get to see what brand it is. Eek. Except I think I just unboxed it upside down. Okay, here we go. So, oh, okay, it's Hydrating Botanica. All right. This is what the little card looks like. I know this is a new brand to Beauty Heroes. I did feature some of their products in my one of my Beauty Heroes things, so let's check it out. Hydrating Botanica. Beauty Discovery. We have a hydrating glow oil and a hydrating essence. So 2 hydrating products. All right, let's see. The first one is Orchidea. I know, I actually know Spanish, but it's so rusty at this point. Orchidea and Vitamin C Hydrating Glow Oil. So let's check it out. This is what it looks like, the box. It says orchid, cacao, maracuja, camu camu, plum, papaya, sacha inchi, kiwi, and bakuchiol. It says directions: after cleansing, apply 6 to 8 drops to face, neck, and décolletage. Press into skin using upward strokes. Reapply as desired for an instant boost of hydration and dewy, warm weather glow. All right. Ooh, very pretty. That's nice, huh? I like that. It's from New York. And this has a 12-month expiration, which is nice. Here it is, a little bit closer. So this is the Hydrating Glow Oil. Let's read about it. All right, so it's 30 milliliters. Whoa, a value of $88 for this. Your skin in the tropics, instantly cushioned, glowy, plumped, and radiant from the humidity, internally nourished with abundant nutrients. Hydrating Botanica captures that sensual, coveted tropical vibe using the secrets Latin women have known for generations. Inspired by a tradition of self-care and made with joy, these luscious aromatic botanical formulations illuminate natural radiance. So this is the hero product. Orchidea and Vitamin C Hydrating Glow Oil features floral native to South America, oils used in traditional healing, and active botanicals from around the world. Orchid extract, Orchidea, helps with firmness and elasticity while fighting oxidation, and a proprietary complex of nutrient-dense super fruits, including cacao, camu camu, and sacha inchi, deliver high levels of omegas and vitamins A and E. Okay, let me try that again. A boost of vitamin C powerfully helps to brighten the appearance of the skin while also protecting. The result is a lightweight oil with a heady, faintly sweet, and buttery fragrance. This natural antidote to dry, dull skin, signs of aging, uneven skin tone and texture, and dark spots also features retinol alternative bakuchiol to encourage healthy skin. Just 6 to 8 drops of this naturally aromatic oil will melt into your skin for a bare-faced, beautiful glow reminiscent of a holiday in the tropics. Superpower ingredients are bakuchiol, cacao seed oil, camu camu extract, maracuja seed oil, orchid extract, papaya seed oil, sacha inchi seed oil, and vitamin C. So, hydrating vitamin C. So I think it's like a serum, but it doesn't say that it's a serum. At first when they said hydrating glow oil, I thought it was something with a shimmer, but that doesn't seem to be the case. So we have a nice little dropper here. And let me show you the consistency. drops. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, that smells so good. Oh wow, there's like a scent that I really recognize with this. Oh my gosh, it smells good. Yum. Oh, is it shimmery? No, I don't think so. Anyways, so this is how it's blending in. Oh my gosh, the smell is so good. I'm trying, for mine, my second went to like amaretto. I feel like it smells like amaretto or something. I think it's gorgeous though. I love the scent. So that is awesome. I am very excited about that and curious to read more about it and use it. So that's cool. This isn't very interesting. I would have never guessed it was going to be this brand, so that's really exciting. Our second product is the Hydrating Essence, and this is 3.3 fluid ounces. It's Hydrating Essence with Calendula and Peptides. Calendula, Sacha Inchi, Camu Camu, Rose Water, Hyaluronic Acid. After cleansing, mist generously onto face, neck, and décolletage with eyes closed. Reapply throughout the day as desired for a boost of hydration and instantly plump, dewy skin. Ooh. Oh gosh, this packaging is gorgeous. I do love it. That's what it looks like. It's glass. So, all right, let's read about this. Calendula and Peptides Hydrating Essence, 100 milliliters, $54. Inspired by Colombian beauty rituals that used floral infusions and centuries of use of Native American superfruits, this multitasking treatment features a blend of tropical florals and active botanical ingredients that sink into the skin and dry to a satiny, smooth finish. Calendula and Peptides Hydrating Essence is a hydrating, inflammation-calming combination of calendula, rose water, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid to instantly provide the feeling of plump and soothed skin while delivering the firming and brightening benefits for that day in the tropics dewy finish. Plant peptides from Amazonian superfruit Sacha Inchi help with fine lines and wrinkles, while antioxidants from vitamin C rich Camu Camu and a blend of superfruits brighten and protect. Use this essence over makeup, after exfoliation, before a mask, or whenever you want to refresh your skin and senses. Superpower ingredients are calendula, Camu Camu extract, emu apple fruit extract, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, kakadu plum, rose water, Sacha Inchi plant peptides. Cool. And this is the picture of the woman who founded this brand, Giovanna Campagna. And there's some information about her included. All right, so let's see. Now, here's the thing with all these sprayers. You never know if it's going to be a blast in the face or like get a perfect spray. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to Oh, that smells really nice too. Oh, this is nice. These are really nice products. I'm very surprised because like I said, I wouldn't have expected or ever guessed. I know that like Nini Organics is newly at Beauty Heroes, so let's say Superheroes, and I have a feeling they'll be featured in a box at some point, so I was kind of like curious if it was them, but it was really exciting to like get these two unexpected products from Joaquina Botanica. So yeah, that is awesome. I'm really excited to try these. They both smell great, which is awesome. They have beautiful packaging and their bottles and everything are gorgeous. So I will definitely let you know later in the month after I've been using them for about 3 weeks or so, you know, my thoughts on them and feedback and everything. And I did miss posting a video this weekend. I was away with my family and I didn't, you know, get a video up for this weekend. So hopefully you guys were okay with that. And let me know if you've ever tried anything from this brand or what you think of these products. So I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and click subscribe if you would like to know when the next video is coming out. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.